Meet Johnny, our 10-year-old friend. Johnny doesn't know yet, but he's going to be a millionaire. Right now, Johnny sees millionaires as movie stars and pro athletes, and although he won't be one of those, he will do okay for himself. Every day before Johnny's parents leave the house in the morning, they give him $5 for milk and a snack while they're out. Johnny doesn't actually like milk, and he prefers to eat his snacks at home, but of course he doesn't tell his parents this, and he keeps the money. Now, Johnny is still young and doesn't know much about money, but he has learned something from all the Warren Buffett that his dad watches. He asked his uncle to help him open up a brokerage account for him to start investing in an S&P 500 index fund. With the rest of his living expenses completely paid for, Johnny can invest this money every single day throughout his childhood. When Johnny finally grows up and gets a job, his daily investing habit continues as an afterthought. Although he continues to invest his daily milk money, Johnny, unfortunately, does not save a dime beyond that. He prioritizes living in the moment and spending his money on things that make him happy. As his expenses increase and he starts a family, he never actually gets around to properly budgeting. Over the many years that Johnny invests his milk money, his account continuously grows. This is not only because of his daily contribution, but also because of the growth of the S&P 500 fund that he's invested in and the dividends that fund pays him. The S&P 500 has grown at an average of 11% for the past 10 years, 11.4% for the past 40 years, and 10.1% for the past 100 years. To adjust for average inflation of 3% per year, this growth is effectively decreased to roughly 7% per year to account for the real value of the investments. These growth numbers also include dividend reinvestment. Dividends are the payments that some companies give to their investors periodically. These payments can either be taken as cash or reinvested as additional shares of the company. Despite not being particularly great with his money beyond his daily investment, Johnny's investments grow to a whopping real value of $1.08 million by the time he retires from his career at 65. Johnny may not be a movie star or a pro athlete, but he is still able to enjoy his money in retirement. Investing can seem complicated, but if you take your emotions out of it and invest early and often, it isn't as hard as it seems. Thank you for tuning into the Money Minute. Make sure to comment your thoughts below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this.